Good morning, boys. I hope you all are having a wonderful day and that you are ready to begin working on English today. So this is our calendar, boys, and we are in week 5 this week. So you would look for your calendar that says week 5 to week 8, which is the second calendar you all should have in your packet. Today is Tuesday, so we're going to be working on English, and the worksheet we're going to be working on today is called My Family. So please take out this reading, this worksheet. I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is the reading we were going to be doing today. It says reading comprehension on the top, and it is called My Family. So before we start with the reading, boys, I want to go over some reading strategies that will help you throughout the reading and to answer the questions. So reading strategy number 1 is infer. And some of you might be like, well, what does infer mean? So readers infer meanings. So when we are inferring like that, when we're looking for an infer, we are using clues from the text and things that we already know and helping us understand what's going on in the story. So even though they're not telling us fully like this, and this is happening in the story, we know by the clues we're reading and because of things we already know. That is infer. Second one, we are going to visualize. In my mind, I see. It helps us a lot if we visualize the story. We can play it in our heads as we are reading or we are listening, give us an image of what's going on. It is going to help us understand the story and also help us what is coming up next. Maybe you have gone through it and you're like, oh, I know what's gonna happen. Or you've seen it, or you have read something close to this and you know what is about to happen or what is going on in the text. So make sure you visualize. The next one is predict, boys. I predict. Us readers, we predict by using clues from the story, from the cover, whether it's pictures or it's words, to make a guess of what's gonna happen next. And we should ask questions. When we ask questions, we understand the text better. So we should always ask who? Who are they talking about? What's going on? What's happening in the story? When did it happen? Why did it happen? And how did it happen? Those are the questions we should ask. Are who, what, when, where. Sometimes they can ask us where it's going on, why, and how. And after that, we should monitor and clarify. It says, readers monitor by stopping when the text doesn't make sense. Readers use strategies to make sure they understand what are they reading. So sometimes we might be reading a sentence or a paragraph and we do not understand what we just read. That's when we should stop, go at the beginning again, and reread and analyze what is going on before that paragraph so we can give ourselves a picture of what is going on. So those are just a couple of strategies, boys, that are going to help us understand this reading and answer the questions we have here below. So I will read and you will follow along with me, and at the end I will do one question with you and you will work on the rest on your own. So here, before we start a reading, we should always look at our title, and our title here is My Family. And after reading our title, we should look at the pictures, and here we have a picture in the bottom, and we have a whole bunch of we have a mom and a dad and some siblings, a baby, and this looks like a grandma and a grandpa. And the picture aligns with the story, with the title, I mean. The title is My Family, and here, this looks like a family. So what can we predict? What can we analyze from what we are doing to see what do you think the story is going to be about? Can anybody tell me? Yes, it's going to be about somebody talking. The narrator is going to be talking about her family. And what about her family? Well, we don't know yet. Let's read so we can know what she's going to tell us about her family. So I'm going to start. You just follow along, boys. Hi, I am Eve. I have long, straight blonde hair and blue eyes. I am short and slim. I am wearing pink socks, yellow and blue dress, black shoes. Here is a photo of my lovely family. My mom's name is Betty. She has long, straight brown hair and green eyes. She is tall and thin. She is beautiful. She is wearing a green skirt, yellow jacket, and a green shirt and brown shoes. My father's name is Jack. He has short, curly, dark hair and brown eyes. He is tall and thin. He is wearing a black jacket, black tie, white shirt, black trousers, and black shoes. My brother's name is Tim. He has short, dark hair and brown eyes. He is short and thin. He is wearing an orange shirt, brown trousers, and brown shoes. My sister's name is Wilma. She has short, wavy brown hair and green eyes. She is wearing a pink dress, white socks, and purple shoes. My grandfather's name is Tom. He is old. He has black eyes. He is bald. He is medium height and plump. He is wearing black glasses, a green jacket, a white shirt, black trousers, and black shoes. My grandmother's name is Jenny. She is old. She has short, curly gray hair. She is short and plump. She is wearing a colorful skirt, blue shoes, and a red t-shirt. I love my family. So here in the paragraph, boys, she mentions everyone. And she is giving us a little information and details on her family. And what we see, we can read here too. We don't have, there's no color in the picture, but by what she's telling us, we already know. Like, for example, that her mom has a green skirt. So we can already imagine and picture that the skirt is green. So now we are going to answer the questions below. There are 10 questions. I will be doing one on your own, and you will be doing the rest. I will be doing one with you on, you'll be doing the rest on your own. And I will be starting off with number 1. And it says, what does Eve look like? So let's look for E. And here it says, I am Eve. I have long, straight, blonde and blue eyes. Blonde hair and blue eyes. I am short and slim. I am wearing pink socks, yellow and blue dress, black shoes. Here is a photo of my lovely family. So in number 1, what we are going to do is describe Eve and how she looks like. So we are going to put Eve is a short, slim girl with long blonde hair and blue eyes. That is what Eve looks like. You're just describing her. So now you are going to do question number 2, and it's asking you, is Betty fat? Number 3, it's asking you, does Jack have a mustache? Number 4, what does Jenny look like? Number 5, is Tom young? Number 6, what does Wilma look like? Number 7, does Tim have curly hair? Number 8, does Betty have green eyes? Number 4, what does Jack look like? And number 9, and number 10, is Eve short? So make sure you answer in a complete sentence, boys. If you have any questions or need help, please feel free to reach out to me or Mr. Guzman. Other than that, once you are done, please do not forget to submit it onto Teams, and we will see you here tomorrow for humanities. Bye, boys.